Hello guys, in this video I will just show you how to create Gmail account in laptop or PC. It is a simple method to create any Gmail account in laptop or PC easily. First of all, go to google.com and search Gmail, create new account. Click on this and click create a Google account. Two type of account for myself to manage a business. So I create for myself. Enter first name and last name. Click on next and select date of birth and gender. Click on next. So select create your own Gmail address. Click on this and enter a Gmail. Click on next. So enter a password. Click on next and enter recovery email. So I skip this one and enter your phone number. So skip this one and click on next. I agree. So my Gmail account is created. Select a new tab and go to right side and click on Gmail. So you can see how I create Gmail account easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.